of one recipe of stock that's very simple and easy to make. I'm going to be making my mushroom stock, which I use in all kinds of recipes, and if you're vegan or vegetarian, it's a really easy, wonderful thing to make. I make it out of old vegetables. Today I have some little fresher ones, but I'll take anything out of my fridge. I have 4 carrots, 2 onions, and then I'm going to add some mung beans and 3 garlic cloves. Mung beans were just in my refrigerator, and that's going to add a depth of flavor. A few beans thrown into a stock pot. It's a great way to add depth of complexity. This recipe I really like because mushrooms work on your immune system, and they have all kinds of compounds outside of vitamins and minerals that will improve the functioning of your immune system. And today I'm going to put these portobello mushrooms in. I have 1.5 pounds of portobello mushrooms, and I'm just going to break them up a little bit here. No need to chop them. So you can even pour the whole thing in whole. I didn't soak these mushrooms in water to wash them. I just gave them a light rinse and put them on the drain board to drain. And then later we're going to use some of my beautiful shiitakes. I have some wild chanterelles and then some oyster mushrooms. I also like to add any sort of greens in the refrigerator that are old usually, or what works especially good is the stems of kale. So I'm going to add 4 stems of kale leaves here. Get my big giant one here. And this kale I've washed by soaking it in a bowl of vinegar and water, about a gallon of water for a tablespoon of vinegar. I'm going to save this kale for either juicing, that's what I'm going to do, or you can use it for producing a salad or a stir fry. I'm going to sit that in there, and then I'm going to cover that and let it cook bring it to a simmer, and let it simmer for 4 to 8 hours, depending upon your time schedule. You can even cook this overnight and have it ready to make first thing in the morning. And then later I'm going to show you the 2 recipes. One's wild mushroom risotto, and the other one is a Asian dish with rice noodles and mushroom stock. So it's really ramen essentially, but we're going to show you the real way to make ramen, which is very simple and a mild flavored dish, unlike some of the chemically laden dishes. And we're going to boister it with some cabbage, some other mushrooms, some tofu, you can put tempeh, and real easy rice noodles. Carrots fell. Hi, I'm Selena with SMARTFOOD Nutrition. Like mommy's hair and dog hair.
Okay.
Hi. We're gonna boister it with some really great for your immune system, and they involve mushrooms. Mushrooms have all kinds of compounds besides vitamins and minerals for your immune system.